How's it going, everybody? Another update video. Yes, I know I got the same shirt on, so I'm doing 3 in one day. I just got home from work. It's been pouring down around me, absolutely pouring down, so I wanted to show how everything was doing, but it quit raining. It's just barely drizzling now. But I wanted to give you an update on how everything was doing, and so far, I'm gonna be honest, everything is holding up well. It's only been just a hair over a month on one, and then almost a month on some more, and then like a couple weeks on the other. So you'll just have to, this will be one update video after the other, and I'll start with the red car, then I'll do the hood that I have down there sitting in the weather, and then you're going to see the one now, and it is on my black Z28, right? What do I have on this? Well, first let's look and see how it's doing. Up top is still beading really nicely. The beads are a little bit larger, but they're still there. It's doing wonderful. This car has been washed. It's been sitting out here. I drive it, you know, once or twice a week and wash it and all that stuff on the weekends, just like I do all my cars. Excuse me. So it gets driven. But the water beading is still doing wonderful. And by now you're wondering what product this is. This is Ceramic Slam by Lithium Auto Care. Right? Wonderful company. Can't say enough great things about them. I really like the guys that run the place, Josh and Bill. And you know, I'm sure there's some more people behind the cameras and all that stuff that I haven't met yet, or had the chance to talk with, not met, or been introduced to, or anything like that. But it's really a great company. The guys are super nice. They're always willing to answer questions, or be open to feedback, or be open to suggestions. You know, how about trying to get something like this, you know, whether be a car shampoo. Have you done a car shampoo? I'm always shooting ideas by them, and of course, them being as smart as they are, they've already thought of it and already have it in the works. But anyhow, with that, all that said, here we go. The Ceramic Slam, still working wonders. And every time I show water beading, for some reason I get comments about they'd rather see water sheeting, and I understand that. That's the actual process of the water leaving the car, the water sheeting. But here's the thing about water sheeting I want everybody to understand, and I'm no professional, I'm no expert on water sheeting or water beading, but here's the thing. You will get water on a surface, especially if it's flat or has just a little bit of curvature to it, and it will sit there until one of two things happens. Either it dries, or enough water gets built up to where it will start to move. Once it starts to move, it will then run off the car. That will be by that process. Or there's one more, and that's going down the road, you know, 30, 45 miles an hour, whatever your speed is in your area. The actual wind will then take care of the water volume and blow the water off, or cause it to sheet off. Because I posted this shot in my last video. As you can see, that water beading is phenomenal, and I got a bunch of comments about everybody would rather see water sheeting. Well, I understand that, but that is not enough water to sheet off. Sure, 1 or 2 more drops it might run off, and some other products that are out there. Yes, you know, I'm not saying that this is the very best wax in the world. I'm not saying that, or sealer, or whatever. But what I am saying is there are some things that are slicker, like graphene. Graphene is really, really slick when you put it on. But it will still have beading. It still will, because it all boils down to water volume, for lack of better terms and knowledge. But anyhow, so there you go, it's been explained. Water will bead until there's enough to sheet. Doesn't matter what surface it's on. Just like my glass is thoroughly protected by the greatest, best water seal that there is. And I can tap on it and nothing happens. And once enough water gets on it, it runs off. We can stand out here and I can show you the windshield. It's the same way. Go outside and see if your windshield is beading like that. I highly doubt it, unless you got a sealer or a wax on it. And once enough water beads up on that and builds up, it will run off. It's that simple. But anyhow, enough of that whining, complaining, whatever you want to call it. Look at how it's still beating. Sweetness. Heck yeah. That looks really good, except for all the leaves and dirt on it. But it's doing really good. Lithium, so far this is a great product. I really like it. Phenomenal shine, and it just works really good. Super easy to apply, even easier to come off. So there you go. Like I said, I'll put the exact date because I don't remember the exact date. I'll have to look on the computer. I was out here doing these other updates. I figured I'd do this one too, but I'll put the date of everything in the video so you'll know when it was applied and all that good stuff. So until next time, we'll see you. I'm gonna go inside and watch my videos, and wife gets home, we're gonna fix dinner and watch the debate. So you be careful out there. The world's crazy, the weather's crazy, the virus is crazy, the media is even crazier, and just keep your heads down and try to stay home and try to be safe. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching.